Good morning, nomads. I'm waiting outside of my hotel here in Chiang Mai for a pickup to go to an elephant sanctuary to play with elephants. Elephants are a huge part of Thai culture, and if you do a little bit of research of things to do in Chiang Mai, Thailand, you find that the #1 thing is to visit an elephant sanctuary. If you do a little bit of internet research on this, you find images of people playing with elephants and splashing around in the river with them, giving them a bath. But it doesn't take much internet research to realize that there is a lot of controversy when it comes to visiting elephant sanctuaries in Thailand. So today I'm going to share with you my visit to an elephant sanctuary and give you the benefit of loads of research I did in order to find an ethical elephant experience. So let's go. Tour I took consisted of them picking up a total of 4 people to go to the elephant sanctuary. We spent the day feeding the elephants and going on a hike with them as they went searching for food in the mountains, and we bathed with them in the river and watched them play in a mud hole. First step, I changed into this cool blue outfit. Over here is old, eats slower. These other 2 are teenagers, so they eat more quickly. Hungry, hungry elephants. Now that the elephants have been fed, we're taking them for a walk. This hike is more intense than I would have expected it to be. So the hike we took with the elephants was so much more intense than I expected. I wore these sandals, which are not the best for hiking in slippery, wet places. They're okay for flat hiking, they stick to my foot, but there were some wet parts and it was a really steep incline and I was really regretting the whole thing near the end, but thankfully it's over and now we can just enjoy the company of the elephants. We had a little lunch and we're gonna give some bananas with medicine to the elephants. Would you like one? to avoid when looking for elephant experiences in Thailand is elephant riding. Now, elephant riding may seem harmless, but it actually involves torturing the animal enough to crush its spirit. This involves taking the animal when it's a baby and putting it in a small pen so it can't move around, tying up its legs, beating it with sharp objects, yelling at it, and starving it for weeks on end until it is completely scared of humans and docile around tourists. The best way to avoid unethical elephant experiences is to look for the following. Number one, avoid any experiences where elephants are ridden. Avoid places where the elephants are made to do unnatural tricks like dancing or painting. Avoid places where the elephants are kept in a small area and aren't able to roam free in large areas. Avoid places where the elephants seem uncomfortable or have to interact with large number of tourists. Basically, you want to just look for a place where the elephants are allowed to do natural activities. When I was looking for elephant sanctuaries in the Chiang Mai area, I kept coming back to a place called Elephant Nature Park. Now, this park is in no way sponsored in my video. It just seems to be well vetted as a place where elephants are treated ethically. And this nature park is actually so ethical that they don't even allow you to get in the river with the elephants while they're bathing. They make you watch from a safe distance, and this was a bit of an ethical dilemma for me because I really wanted to get in the river with the elephants. I saw so many pictures of people doing it. I was very excited for it. Luckily, the Elephant Nature Park website has sister organizations that are vetted by Elephant Nature Park that have the elephant bathing I was looking for, so I was able to find a park vetted by Elephant Nature Park that still allowed tourists to get into the river with the elephants and bathe with them. Because unethical treatment of elephants, including elephant riding, is still commonplace in Thailand, there's still a growing need for these elephant sanctuaries that rescue and rehabilitate these elephants. These sanctuaries provide care for elephants who have not learned how to fend for themselves. And by visiting ethical sanctuaries, you get all the benefits of being around elephants that are used to humans without any of the guilt of knowing that you could be contributing to the unethical treatment of elephants. I have a lot more Thailand videos to come, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!